Hello, we're going to show the REPL read-eval print loop for the node.js and Python. This is ipython. It's a in-place replacement of Python interpreter. It's very good interpreter. So we are going to check another interpreter, node.js. Let me show you its version. I'm going to use, right now, I'm using version 6.5. And for the ipython and Python, we are using version 5.2, and Python version is 3.5. Okay. It's not the latest Python, but anyway, it's Python 3. Node. In node REPL, yes, it didn't give us any information at the startup. We need to know we are going to use help. Yes, you can use help. And you can see we are currently at this directory. Okay, let's change to the directory and edit some file. Close those files from here and start to edit her to make me remember I'm using Vim. Okay. Let's put some code. Make a few changes. Then we're going to load this file into the REPL, the interpreter. Nope. Material is now defined. Good. Okay. I want a short name. Okay. You can see the REPL uses Emacs key bindings. So if we are going to redo or retrieve the last command, we are going to Control P. Okay, but Control P actually, because we load a file, Control P becomes the last statement, last line input by the file. You can see in the file we got the last line. It's here. Let me put it into a good position. It's here in this statement. So what Control P gave us is the last statement loaded. It's not the last statement in the line editor. Okay. So basically it gave us by default Emacs key binding. It's wonderful. It's okay. It's default for most distributions, Linux distributions at least I know. And the good news is it gave us some hints. For example, M is the array and we can hit the tab to get some hint, but you should know that this is by default the interpreter, the REPL it gave us. Let's see what will happen if we set it to we set it as the document recommended to turn on the current key binding I'm using. So rlwrap, then node. Okay. Here. Okay, you can see the cursor. It's here. It's env node no read line equals 1. It means set it no read line. It's 1. It's true. 1 means true. 1 means yes. 0 means false. False or no. So node no read line equals 1. Then we use we are going to use rlwrap and call the node. Okay. We being dropped inside the REPL again, and this time let's see 2 plus 2 should less than 5, true. 1 plus 1 should equals 2, true. Okay. Let's see what's going to happen if I'm going to use VI binding editor line editing. I'm going to press key, small case key. Okay, I got 1 plus 1, and again I use key to retrieve the second input, and I can use G to scroll down one line. But let's see, load aa.js. This is aa.js, right? You can see this is aa.js. Load it. What happened? Did we load the aa.js? No, we being kicked out. Let's redo it. And remember my last command. Let me be more specific. Undefined. Okay. It always kick me off. aags var m equals materials is okay, and it should be okay. I believe something wrong. No, it's okay. Let's do it again. Load the file. Still okay. M is not defined. What happened? Okay, It's here. We forgot it. See, we should be able to load. We can use search to search the command contains load. Okay, we load it into the REPL, and m is an array. But what happened? We get no hints. Why we get no hints? Because we set node readline node without readline. Remember how we entered this REPL? Let's see. We entered the REPL according to the document suggested. Of course, it suggests us to put into our bash rc file. I didn't put it inside bash rc file. I use it right away. So the result is we lost those helpful hints. So what we are going to do is use node as its default command, node. Let's see what it tells us about itself. Okay, nothing. So basically, node REPL it's very good. It's helpful. It can help us to test code, and it even give us help. But if you get used to ipython, ipython just a wonderful REPL. Even Python is wonderful REPL. Of course, you need to set it. For example, ipython edit. No. Okay, let's go to of course, you need to set it to VI mode. Okay, let's check Emacs mode. You can see for ipython, we need a setting in its profile configuration. You need to set editing mode equals VI. Then you get everything. For example, we want editor a function. We just editor. And okay, please remember we are in ipython interpreter. Okay, AA is a function. We got 5, and of course, in the node REPL, node interpreter, we put this interpreter side by side, and you can see how much advanced ipython is. But yes, node is very good. Node gave us a very friendly ecosystem, very rapidly evolving developing environment, the community. But ipython, I'm going to play it side by side a lot from now on. They are very interesting. I feel I'm a stupid to put different REPL, the interpreter, side by side and use them in the same time. Okay, if we want same function, AA equals x, y, they are going to give us x plus y. Okay, AA is a function, and we get all the hints, helpful hints from it. This is by calling node directly, and if you are using this way, try to get the VI mode, you lost all these hints. I don't know why, but it just happens this way. Okay, let's have a break.